Hello, I'm Seung Kim, and I'd like to share what I learned through a conversation about Germany in Connectography project. Germany is located in the center of Europe, which makes travel and exchange with neighboring countries very easy. Thanks to the Schengen Agreement, people can cross borders without being stopped. But I learned that this isn't unique to Germany. Many European countries have this kind of open connection. From WhatsApp German room, they told me every country in Europe is kind of a center. I also explored how Germany is known for strong local autonomy and regional equality. But I found out that there were still challenges, such as economic gaps between western and eastern parts of the country after reunification. I was especially interested in Germany's geography. I learned about Wadden Sea on the North Sea coast, a huge tidal flat similar to Korea's west coast, and the romantic road, a scenic route with cultural and historical value. This experience helped me see how geography connects to history, daily life, and even fairness across regions.